Hi loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Modern Peach, which is a classic size, vertical, happy planner. And we're planning for the week of February 24th through March 1st. And today I'm not using Happy Planner stickers to decorate. I will be using monthly boxes, but I'm using the Recollections floral sticker book, which is 1055 pieces. It's quite great. It's like very girly and very floral. And they have a couple sheets of these stickers that are kind of like blue and pink and a mix of blue and pink. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to place some boxes for each day for myself to mark the stuff that's going on each day. And I'm using my loose sticker sheets. These are actually from the original colorful boxes. These were sent to me by the Happy Planner for the sheets that were miscut. So instead of just having them lay around, I decided to use them. And actually the sheets that were miscut in few of my books are pink and blue, which will match this spread perfectly, I should say. So that's what I'm doing. This is my catch-all. It's my everyday catch-all planner. So I have quite a bit going on in February. So that's why I need to do that. Okay, and I decided to move those boxes around a little bit because they're taking too much space and I don't like how that's looking. So I know Wednesday I don't have that much going on, so I'm gonna just put one box, but I'm going to have a full to-do list, so that's another thing. And I'm gonna make my checklist on the bottom all across. And these little stencils are so great. Like I spoke in my last video about this, they're saving me so many stickers. Not that I need to save them for anything, but it's just they're saving me quite a bit of stickers. So if you want to be a little bit more conservative on the sticker side, these are great because they'll replace a whole checklist for you and you can use them over and over again. And then they come in a pack of 2. One stencil is with circles, the other one is with squares. Lately I've been using circles. Prior to that I've been using squares. So for me it switches from like month to month, I guess. Okay, now that the checklists are done for each day that I need to be doing stuff, I will be adding few things. I'm gonna first take my Sakura jelly roll and remove those lines so it looks like they're not there. For the most part, I want one cohesive column or row, whatever you call these, a chunk of spread that's not divided. So that's a little trick. You can use this, or you can use the correction tapes that people have, or whiteouts, but I find that for those thin lines, my white jelly roll is usually the best. And I'm just gonna put all of my decorations, or most of it, into the middle two sections up here. And by sections, I mean pages. I'm just gonna add a sticker that's matching. So I'm gonna put beautiful with a flower, with a pink flower on one side, and I'm gonna put believe in on the other side with blue flowers to kind of bring the spread together. And I'm gonna put some embellishment around the boxes so they don't look so bare. And I'm gonna use pretty much the whole sheet of stickers up here. I'm just gonna really fill up that space and make it extremely floral. I'm gonna bring some of the other flowers in this book. They're also blue. There's not that many blue flowers in the Happy Planner books, so I was very, very excited to see that this book was full of them. So I bought this one and decided to make a spread right away with it. They're on sale, I believe, too, the Recollections sticker books. Sometimes I have kind of like a planner funk where I have so many Happy Planner stickers that I don't know what to do with them. Not often, but it happens once in a while. And when that happens, sometimes I just reach for books from other companies, and then I kind of get over my little funk. And I want every little, like, I don't want any white space anywhere, kind of sticking too much out, so that's what I'm doing. Just adding little feathers everywhere. So as you can see, that whole page is pretty much done. I'm just gonna look for some other embellishments for the top for us. And this spread will pretty much be done. And I really do like how this came out. I think it's beautiful. I think it's very different and kind of unique because, again, this is not a Happy Planner stickers. They're Recollections. So they have a little bit of a different vibe to them. And I think I just like the blue so much that I couldn't pass this book up. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like other company stickers? I am an avid Happy Planner user. Pretty much all of my stuff is Happy Planner as far as planners goes. But I do have quite a few books that are not Happy Planner. I mean, not as many as Happy Planner ones, but I would say I have about maybe 50 books that are not Happy Planner. So once in a while, I will reach for those. That brings us to the end of the spread. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you like how this came out. And if you have any questions for me, you can always reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, via my email, which is left down below. I am usually pretty quick to respond. So if you guys want to connect, do that. And happy planning, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I just want to give you the warmest welcome I can. And for those of you who are just visiting, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you in our little planner family. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!